Welcome to this tutorial on why use Bill4time rate tables. Bill4time is a time tracking and billing software designed to help professionals manage their time and generate invoices with ease. One of the key features of Bill4time is its rate table functionality, which allows users to create and manage multiple rate tables for different clients, projects, or services. To understand why rate tables are important, let's first define what a rate table is. A rate table is a list of rates associated with specific services or tasks, which can be applied to a client's invoice. For example, a lawyer may have different rates for different types of cases, such as hourly rates for litigation and flat rates for document review. Using Bill4time rate tables provides several benefits. Firstly, it allows for easy rate management, as users can create and manage multiple rate tables in one place. This eliminates the need to manually keep track of different rates for different clients or projects. Secondly, rate tables help to ensure accuracy and consistency in billing, as the correct rates are automatically applied to the client's invoice. Another key benefit of using Bill4time rate tables is that it saves time. With rate tables, users can quickly and easily generate invoices, as the software automatically calculates the correct rates and applies them to the invoice. This reduces the time spent on administrative tasks, allowing professionals to focus on more important tasks. In addition to these benefits, Bill4time rate tables also provide flexibility. Users can create custom rate tables for specific clients or projects, and can also set up tiered rates, which allow for different rates to be applied based on the amount of time worked. For example, a consultant may have a tiered rate structure, where the rate decreases as the number of hours worked increases. To get the most out of Bill4time rate tables, it's essential to set them up correctly. This involves creating separate rate tables for different clients or projects, and ensuring that the correct rates are applied to each table. It's also important to regularly review and update rate tables to ensure they remain accurate and consistent. In conclusion, using Bill4time rate tables is an effective way to manage rates and streamline the billing process. By providing easy rate management, ensuring accuracy and consistency, saving time, and offering flexibility, rate tables are an essential tool for professionals who need to track time and generate invoices. By following best practices and setting up rate tables correctly, users can maximize the benefits of Bill4time and improve their overall billing process.